Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite ice drink, Ice Americano, using Barista Pro. In this recipe, grab your favorite dark roast coffee. Comes to grinder setting on your Barista Pro. My grinder setting is at number 7 as the guideline. Let's start with the 18-gram dose. Before we brew the shot, make sure to check your brew temperature as well. I like to set at default temperature instead of hot. I like to do some little bit of WDT using just an acupuncture needle with 3D print. It's nice and easy. Yeah. It looks pretty good here. I'm just gonna temp it after. Just make sure nice and straight. So I think we are ready to go. For me, I like to add, puck screen for my espresso workflow. All right, let's give it a shot. Okay, it's about 44 gram. Looks great. Okay, shot looks amazing. So let's put everything together. Key to making a great ice Americano is lots ice. So let's put everything together. Instead of put ice water here, I'm just gonna pure ice, lots of ice here. And then I'm going to add just the espresso on the top, okay, just like so. Okay. I'm going to mix it, right? So now the hot espresso melts the ice. So now, okay, I'm going to add some more ice on the top. Okay. And I'm going to mix it one more time. And then I'm going to put a little bit of water. Here we go, guys. So this is the ice Americano with lots of ice here. So let's give it a try. The problem with just the ice water with espresso is going to be the hot espresso melt a lot of ice. Okay, so you're not going to have a lot of ice on the bottom. So I mean, this using this recipe, you are going to enjoy for a little longer, okay, with the ice cold ice Americano. So let's give it a try. Cheers, everybody. Man, this is fantastic. Okay, it's nothing like it. All right, see you next time.